How did your Jewish identity change into your adult life?
Once I moved to Maryland, I could vote, number one. And basically, the political shakers and movers in the Democratic Party, I have to say, because I didn't know that Jewish people were allowed to be Republicans until I was pretty old by then. The shakers and movers were mostly Jewish, and if you haven't had it, you can really develop a passion for it and a passion for change and for growth. And our communities were kind of new communities, so you had that option. We also moved to Potomac, Maryland, which at that time didn't have too many Jews either. And there were 50 families that got together to build a synagogue. Now it's they have Hasidim in the neighborhood and everything, which is really still is always a surprise to me to see somebody, in the neighborhood. But they have more Orthodox Jews, and the Jewish community has expanded a great deal. I've been involved in. I have a child who is disabled from a childhood illness and is developmentally disabled, and I worked through the Jewish community, and we developed a whole agencies and a whole series of programs that have given support and a good life for several hundred disabled people in the community. And that was also, you could do it through the Jewish community because it was easier to raise money. People had a strong social conscience. We kind of knew each other because we'd grown up together. And it really made a difference.